1.5 to 3.5 mm desoldering mesh braid tape copper welding point solder remover wire. 1.5 to 3.5 mm desoldering mesh braid tape copper welding point solder remover wire soldering wick. Tin lead cord flux for soldering. Desoldering mesh braid tape is a type of soldering wick that is used to remove solder from electronic components. It is made of a thin copper mesh that is impregnated with flux. The flux helps to dissolve the solder, making it easier to remove. Desoldering mesh braid tape is available in a variety of sizes, so you can choose the one that is best suited for your needs. To use desoldering mesh braid tape, first apply flux to the solder joint that you want to remove. Then, place the desoldering mesh braid tape over the joint and apply heat with a soldering iron. The solder will melt and wick up into the mesh, where it can be easily removed. Desoldering mesh braid tape is a versatile tool that can be used on a variety of electronic components. It is a safe and effective way to remove solder, and it is relatively inexpensive. Here are some of the benefits of using desoldering mesh braid tape. It is easy to use. It is safe for use on electronic components. It is relatively inexpensive. It is available in a variety of sizes. If you are looking for a way to remove solder from electronic components, desoldering mesh braid tape is a good option. It is easy to use, safe for use on electronic components, and relatively inexpensive. Here are some tips for using desoldering mesh braid tape. Make sure that you apply flux to the solder joint before using the desoldering mesh braid tape. This will help to dissolve the solder and make it easier to remove. Place the desoldering mesh braid tape over the solder joint and apply heat with a soldering iron. The solder will melt and wick up into the mesh, where it can be easily removed. Be careful not to apply too much heat, as this could damage the electronic component. Once the solder has been removed, clean the joint with a damp cloth. By following these tips, you can safely and effectively remove solder from electronic components using desoldering mesh braid tape.